How to record FaceTime call on iPhone with video and audio. Before we begin, keep in mind that because of Apple's privacy restrictions, your iPhone can record the FaceTime video and your own microphone, but it can't record the other person's audio during the call. Also, I've already started the screen recording to make this tutorial, so I can't demonstrate starting it again, but you can simply follow the same steps I'm about to show. First, open the Settings app and tap Control Center. Scroll down until you find Screen Recording. If it hasn't been added yet, tap the green plus button to add it to your Control Center. Next, open the FaceTime app and start your video call. Normally, once your call begins, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open Control Center. Press and hold the screen recording button. If you want to record your own voice during the call, tap the microphone icon so it turns red. This turns on microphone recording. You'll see a red recording indicator at the top of the screen, which means your screen is being recorded. When you're finished, tap the red recording indicator at the top of the screen and select Stop. Your recording will automatically be saved in the Photos app. And that's it. That's how to record a FaceTime call on your iPhone using the built-in screen recording feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and step-by-step tutorials.